made you come to do this course?
Okay. So the decision to do this course was born out of that frustration to create structure in my business.
Okay.
I have been running this business for about 4 years now. I had started first off by going for fashion training. So I had the basic fashion training. I knew how to draft patterns and been taught to sew, you know. But in the course of running the business over the years, I encountered the challenge that a lot of fashion business owners encounter with dealing with staff.
Yeah.
You know, so where your staff feel like act like they're God and they can hold you to your throat, yes. And I found out that this challenge was not just peculiar to me. It was the general, opinion of every fashion business owner. Your business was basically dependent on sales, and I was looking to scale my business. So I had done other trainings too, and I realized that besides getting business knowledge, I also needed to get in-depth knowledge on running a garment production system.
Yeah.
So I found out about OSC. I found out that this course was available, and for me it was like an answer to prayer. Now I get to know the inner workings of the production system.
Yeah.
And so a lot of people always were asking, why are you going back to do a course? Yes, you've gone to fashion school, you've done business school, why are you doing this? But I needed to understand how to run a production system.
Yes.
And I am glad for that first 2 weeks of training on production systems, on Kaizen, planning, production planning. That for me was the game changer, honestly, because it taught me that the production system in garment production could be broken down
Yes. Steps.
into
Yeah.
steps as against what is presently done in the fashion industry in Nigeria, where everything is dependent on the tailor. So just having that knowledge and now seeing it at play,
Yeah.
even when we have productions here at OSC,
Yeah.
shows me that it is possible to have a system that is not dependent on one person. Because I know that one of the things that we taught is that a great business is not built on great people, but on a great system.
Yes.
So when you have a great system and you have people who are ordinary, people who are, an average person can come in, the system runs.
Yes.
So which is one of the things that I'm glad for, that I learned, and the fact that I'm also able to, it's quite an intensive training.
Yes.
And so because it's intensive, whatever I'm learning, I'm doing it every day to the point that, like I was saying earlier, it becomes second nature. I'm not thinking to do it. It's just fluid. And for a business owner, that's where you should be.
Yeah.
Where so for what I think one of the things I realized in business that you actually have to be like a master. They say jack of all trades, master of none. But as a business owner, even if you're not a master, you should have a firm grasp on things so that that system continues in the absence of the people. So I'm glad that I'm able to get that knowledge, and I'm going to go and see for coming up to the concept of this course. Yes, there are things that can be worked on, like she talked about the personalized, that ability to make the teaching personalized,
Yes.
to run with the curriculum, all those things can really help. But the system at OSC is great, and I'm glad that I'm here. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your honest feedback. Most people only want to make you see things. You need to hear the other side as well, so that you can be tweaked, and will always give you. So our culture here is continuous improvement. I know many people who have even been sending messages to us that say, hey, you're teaching this class better than you taught us last time. And their own sets too, they said before
Said
them,
the same
said the
thing.
same thing. So I told them, I said, now we always get better. No human being is already perfect, it's only God. we keep getting better. So we had all your feedback, and I'm sure you saw the changes we made. But definitely we're still working on making it in such a way that it's smooth. We actually do have a curriculum. It's just the teacher needs to still be held accountable to follow it. That's it. But thank you very much.
Thank you.